Hi everybody, I'm Alex.
And I'm Kayleigh.
And we are Pinter Whitnick.
For tonight's drink pairing for the 80s Rewind show, we are making a Purple Rain.
And here's how to make it. You're going to take a bar spoon and carefully put a little bit of the Blue Curacao
very carefully
into the sugar.
But I'm holding this.
Just enough for coloring. I think we missed a little bit, but that's okay. Go ahead and pour that in there.
I think it's a lot of blue.
I think that's a lot of blue. We want to do a lot of
red.
So this is the raspberry pucker. We're going to put another bar spoon of that in here.
Maybe.
We're going to aim for the bar spoon. We'll see where it goes.
That was better.
I think
that was a lot better.
And then we're going to mix it up. You want to mix it up?
Yes.
Hopefully we got the proportions of sugar and liquid right there.
This is really fun.
While Kayleigh's mixing that up, I'm going to go ahead and get some lime on the rim of these rocks glasses.
It's looking very purple now.
Alright.
Purple rain. I'm sorry, I have to.
I know you have to. Perfect.
There we go.
Alright. Now we're going to rim these rocks glasses here with some of the purple sugar. Part of the idea behind doing a really sweet drink was cocktails in the 80s sort of had an overabundance of sugar, so we decided to go right into it. Alright.
So nice. Looks like Cavity Central.
Oh my god. So we're going to move this out of the way and bring over the shaker.
So we'll be doing an ounce each of the raspberry pucker, the blue curacao, cranberry juice, and lemonade. We're going to do an ounce and a half of the vodka. So we're going to add all of our liquid ingredients into the shaker. So let's go ahead and get cracking on that. And we did a homemade lemonade. We did some fresh squeezed lemon, and I'm sure you could also just go with any lemonade you have in your house if you have any. Is that good enough?
Perfect.
Okay. Boom.
Alright, now we got all the sugary goodness in the shaker there. We're going to add some ice. Maybe a few cubes. And also add some ice to the rocks glass that we'll be pouring over.
Also be careful if you're wearing an all-white suit.
We'll pour over ice into the rocks glass. Thanks for tuning in.
Hope you enjoy 80s Rewind.
Cheers.
Cheers.